Have you ever wondered if there's more to tea than just a comforting beverage? What if I told you there's a tea out there that not only tastes great, but also packs a powerhouse of health benefits? Welcome to our deep dive into the world of hibiscus tea, a drink that's not just a treat for your taste buds, but a boon for your health. Before we unravel the top 10 benefits of this vibrant herbal tea, one of which is genuinely surprising, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your tea-loving friends, and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. What is hibiscus tea? Hibiscus tea, with its deep red hue and tangy flavor, has been a staple in various cultures for centuries. Originating from North Africa and Southeast Asia, it's made from the dried parts of the hibiscus plant. Known for its floral aroma, this caffeine-free herbal tea is not just a delight to your senses, but a treasure trove of health benefits. Let's explore what makes hibiscus tea a must-have in your wellness routine. Top 10 benefits of hibiscus tea. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Hibiscus tea boasts an abundance of antioxidants, formidable warriors against the notorious culprits known as free radicals within your body. These insidious compounds are notorious for inciting oxidative stress, a precursor to chronic diseases. When you make hibiscus tea a regular part of your dietary repertoire, you're not merely savoring a revitalizing beverage, you're actively reinforcing your body's fortifications against potential illnesses. By embracing the antioxidant power of hibiscus tea, you embark on a journey towards enhanced well-being and long-term health. Its natural defense mechanisms combat the oxidative havoc that free radicals can wreak, promoting a shield against the development of chronic ailments. So with each sip of hibiscus tea, you're nurturing your body's innate ability to resist and thrive. 2. Blood pressure management. Multiple research studies have provided compelling evidence of hibiscus tea's potential to contribute to the reduction of elevated blood pressure, a prominent risk factor associated with heart disease. The bioactive compounds present in hibiscus tea have demonstrated their efficacy in effectively lowering both systolic and diastolic blood pressure levels. This natural beverage offers a gentle yet valuable means of maintaining and managing your heart health. By incorporating hibiscus tea into your daily routine, you can harness its beneficial properties and take proactive steps towards promoting a healthier cardiovascular system. Prioritizing your heart's well-being has never been more accessible and enjoyable with this flavorful and health-conscious choice. 3. Lowering cholesterol levels. Hibiscus tea emerges as a boon for individuals grappling with high cholesterol levels. Its potent properties contribute to a dual-pronged attack on cholesterol management. Notably, it aids in the reduction of LDL, bad cholesterol levels, while simultaneously boosting the presence of HDL, good cholesterol. This harmonious interplay effectively mitigates the risk of heart diseases, underscoring the importance of balanced cholesterol levels in safeguarding cardiovascular well-being. Hibiscus tea's natural prowess in this regard offers a simple and delightful way to support heart health, serving as a refreshing reminder that sometimes nature itself holds the key to our vitality. 4. Promoting liver health. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying our bodies, and hibiscus tea emerges as a valuable ally in the quest for optimal liver health. Extensive research indicates that hibiscus tea boasts remarkable liver protective properties, making it an effective tool in the management of liver-related conditions and the preservation of this vital organ's functionality. By promoting liver health, hibiscus tea aids in the detoxification process, ensuring that your body can effectively eliminate harmful substances and toxins. This natural beverage not only offers a refreshing taste, but also supports your liver's essential functions, making it a smart addition to a health-conscious lifestyle. 5. Weight loss. Shocking benefit. Prepare to be amazed. Hibiscus tea wields a surprising power. It can support your weight loss journey. Packed with compounds that thwart the absorption of starch and glucose, it becomes a valuable ally in shedding those extra pounds. Moreover, its diuretic properties assist in shedding excess water weight. So beyond being a delightful and refreshing beverage, hibiscus tea emerges as a clever option for individuals conscientiously managing their weight. Incorporating this natural wonder into your routine might just be the flavorful twist your weight loss strategy needs. If you're as intrigued by the weight loss benefits of hibiscus tea as we are, why not share this surprising fact with friends? And while you're at it, remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more health secrets and tips. 6. Anti-cancer properties. Hibiscus tea, derived from the hibiscus plant, is garnering attention for its potential anti-cancer benefits due to its rich content of antioxidants like anthocyanins and flavonoids. These compounds combat harmful free radicals that can damage DNA and contribute to cancer. Moreover, hibiscus tea exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, reducing chronic inflammation, a recognized cancer risk. While ongoing research supports hibiscus tea as a potential part of a health-conscious lifestyle for cancer prevention, it should not replace medical treatment for diagnosed cancer, emphasizing the importance of consulting healthcare professionals for comprehensive cancer management. 7. Antibacterial effects. Hibiscus tea offers more than just internal health benefits. It boasts powerful antibacterial properties that can effectively combat bacteria, thereby lowering the risk of infections. Hibiscus tea's natural ability to thwart bacterial growth can play a pivotal role in safeguarding our health. It serves as a valuable tool in our ongoing efforts to stay healthy in an environment where microbial threats are ever present. By incorporating hibiscus tea into your daily routine, you harness not only its delightful flavor, but also its potent protective qualities, fortifying your body against potential infections and contributing to your overall health and vitality. 8. Mood improvement. Experiencing a dip in your mood? Consider turning to hibiscus tea for a potential boost. This delightful brew has demonstrated its ability to bring a sense of calm, effectively diminishing symptoms of anxiety and depression. With its soothing characteristics, hibiscus tea serves as an ideal choice for relaxation, especially in moments when life feels overwhelming. Whether you're winding down after a stressful day or simply seeking a mood-enhancing beverage, hibiscus tea may offer a refreshing and natural solution to elevate your spirits. Embracing the therapeutic benefits of this aromatic infusion could be a simple yet effective way to bring more balance and tranquility to your daily life. 9. Digestive health. Hibiscus tea boasts not only its refreshing taste, but also its potential digestive benefits. Among them, it plays a role in enhancing digestion by promoting smoother bowel movements and providing relief from constipation. Furthermore, hibiscus tea's anti-inflammatory properties offer a soothing touch to the digestive tract, rendering it particularly advantageous for individuals grappling with various digestive concerns. This vibrant tea isn't just a flavorful beverage, it serves as a natural ally in supporting digestive wellness. Hibiscus tea aids in maintaining a healthy and comfortable gut. So whether you're sipping it for its delightful flavor or its digestive perks, hibiscus tea stands out as a refreshing and holistic choice for your overall well-being. 10. Menstrual pain relief. Hibiscus tea emerges as a natural solution for women grappling with the discomfort of painful menstrual periods. Renowned for its therapeutic properties, this vibrant herbal infusion offers respite from agonizing cramps and menstrual pain, promising a gentler monthly experience. The soothing effects of hibiscus tea can provide a welcome reprieve during those challenging days, alleviating the intensity of discomfort and allowing for a greater sense of ease. By incorporating hibiscus tea into your wellness routine, how to incorporate hibiscus tea in your diet? So how can you add this miraculous tea to your daily routine? It's simple. Brew it hot or enjoy it as an iced tea. You can even add a splash of lemon or a few mint leaves for an extra zing. Whether it's part of your morning ritual or your go-to drink for relaxation, hibiscus tea is versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. We've journeyed through the remarkable world of hibiscus tea and uncovered its myriad health benefits. This tea is more than just a delightful drink, so why not give hibiscus tea a try and experience its benefits firsthand? Don't forget to engage with our channel for more insightful content on health and well-being. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.